Safety, speed, and cost. Three decision-making drivers that have made panelized roofs a system of choice for commercial structures, such as box stores and warehouses, first on the West Coast and now across North America. The innovative combination of wood roof decks and steel framing is ideal for large, regularly shaped flat roofs.
The applications for a hybrid roof can be as small as a 5,000 square foot office to large 1 million square foot distribution centers. We build two types of roof systems, conventional metal and hybrid roofs, and we prefer the hybrid roof due to the safety factor and speed of erection.
Every developer that we've worked with to try a panelized roof system has never gone back to a steel system once they see the benefits of a panelized roof.
For structural roof erectors, hybrid systems are by far the #1 choice.
The safety of a hybrid roof was designed so that 80% of the workers are actually on the ground and out of harm's way. If you see the roof behind us being erected, there's only 3 people in the air, and all the roof is basically being built on the ground.
8 or 10-foot wide pre-framed panels are built in assembly line fashion on a fabrication table. In most wood roof applications, the wood structural panel would be installed with a long direction perpendicular to the framing members. But in this system, to maximize material usage and eliminate the need for installed blocking under panel edges, the OSB or plywood is installed with the 8-foot direction parallel to the framing.
We only have to have 2 to 3 people up on the roof. It's a much safer operation.
Fewer people means less chance of injury and reduced liability. Several rows of nails may be needed at panel edges to accommodate high wind and seismic loads. Final nailing is done after the roof is erected to prevent the sheathing from buckling. It also offers another element of speed, safety, and quality control. Construction sequencing and effective detailing are key to ensuring safety and speed.
The hybrid roofs have negligible thermal expansion issues in the wood deck, so we can remove all or most of the thermal expansion joints in buildings. So this is a big benefit.
Faster. An experienced crew can assemble and lift a panel into place in 5 minutes.
A typical crew erecting a panelized roof system, they average around 20 to 30,000 square feet per day on an open warehouse floor.
Hybrid roof systems go up in half the time as a metal deck alternative. Hybrid systems save time by avoiding the installation of conventional SJI bridging. Plywood and subpurlins brace the top chord of the joists during erection. Joists and girder braces are installed to the bottom chords to meet the specification requirements and to brace the members for wind conditions. Certified erectors can get the metal joist package for less, as bridging is not needed for the hybrid system. Less expensive. Beyond material and labor costs, differences in insulation requirements add to savings. Roofing membranes can be directly applied to the wood structural panels, eliminating the need for rigid insulation or barrier board on top of the deck. In a metal deck system, rigid insulation is required.
The primary insulation that's used in a hybrid roof is Batt insulation, and the reason for that is it's cheaper to install and it installs faster.
In a panelized wood roof system, the use of inexpensive Batt insulation installed below the deck saves 50 to 75 cents per square foot over rigid insulation. Among the other money-saving benefits of panelized roofs, roof penetrations for skylights and downspouts are easily framed and flashed on site. As a result, skylight installations can cost up to 33% less than for steel roofs. Energy savings additions like skylights and solar panels can be easily adapted as well. Safer, faster, less expensive with equivalent or better performance. Wood roof decks easily accommodate drainage requirements with sloping decks that eliminate the need for costly crickets and sloped insulation.
I built roofs from Seattle to San Diego, from Reno where you had high snow loads, to Phoenix, Arizona where you have high wind loads. down to Texas where you have high humidity areas, panelized roof works in any climate with any load conditions.
On this project, radiant barrier panels have been installed to reduce energy consumption.
Radiant barrier sheathing is specified in typically high heat climates where they want to decrease the heat on the interior of the structure, decrease the energy costs. This is done by using a foil face material that's adhered to the panel that will increase the reflectivity, decrease the emissivity, which will bring that energy cost down and can also create a better appearance depending on the taste of the owner.
And this is a very efficient method of creating a large area of roof structure with minimal amount of labor, cost, and time.
Safety, speed, and cost. The decision-making drivers that could make a panelized roof system ideal for your next building project. To learn more about hybrid and all-wood panelized roof systems, contact the Structural Roof Erectors Association or Woodworks today. Free project assistance and technical support is available.